And after our expose, the Haryana government cracking the whip, Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini also has taken note of our investigative report. Shreya Chatterjee, who conducted that investigation here for India Today, is joining us on this broadcast. Shreya, congratulations. Your expose leading to officials finally waking up and seeing the reality of how these kind of rackets are being conducted by touts. Take us through this doctor who's been suspended. How was he exposed, Shreya, in your investigation?
Well, first and foremost, Akshita, I really need to point it out that the person in concern who's been suspended, he is the Nodor PNDT of Hisar. While we were actually investigating this entire case, and we actually also spoke with several other stakeholders, to us, Prabhu Dalal came across as an honest officer who has been part of several Beti Bachao raids and also got people arrested. I really want to take this place to ask the question to the Haryana government that why haven't the ones caught on camera exploring and giving us details about sex determination, admitting to doing this crime, haven't been arrested? Shouldn't the action have been taken against those people? There's a question that needs to be put forward that why is a man who has been a part of successful raids being arrested? One of the raid also caught on camera and part of our story where we went to Mohali and a fake sex determination racket was uncovered. Punjab is yet to register an FIR and investigate the matter. It's under judicial scrutiny. The same man has now been suspended. That really puts a big question on the kind of action we are expecting, because if people like Prabhu Dalal are suspended instead of having a dialogue with, I do not personally think that the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao program will be helping in what they are aiming to do, that is increase the sex ratio by 2 points every year.
Shreya confirming for me that the person who's been suspended are not those touts or these doctors who are conducting the illegal sex determination tests, but rather one of the officials who's leading the crackdown. And while the government may claim that he's not adequately cracked down and that's why he's been suspended, the reality is that Shreya was part of one of those teams that had conducted the raids. And so they are trying to do their job. The question that will be asked of the government here is whether it's ideal and whether this is the kind of crackdown that's needed. Inevitably what we see, and this is typical Babu culture, which is you need to act, so you will go ahead and take on the only official who's in charge and perhaps doing an efficient job. And as a result of that, you've got one official now being suspended. Hopefully, the government also will take note of the fact that perhaps he was the only one who was actually trying to make a change on ground. And hopefully, we will see some of these touts being identified and nabbed.